जुड़ने के लिए आपका धन्यवाद, इस जानकारी के लिए भी। And now viewers, news coming in from Delhi. A gym in Paschim Vihar area came under gunfire in the early hours today when two motorcycle-borne assailants allegedly opened fire outside the premises. Reports indicate that a social media post purportedly linked to the Lawrence Bishnoi gang later claimed responsibility for this incident. Arzu Seth is joining us from the location in Paschim Vihar. Arzu, what really has happened there? Who are the people involved?
Once again, the Delhi's law and order has been questioned because the two gunmen has opened fire in Delhi's gym at Paschim Vihar, where we are present right now, and the incident happened around 4 a.m. in the morning, and the gunmen fired at least 7 rounds at the gym before fleeing from the spot. And this is the particular gym where the firing has happened, 24HS Fitness, which is located at Paschim Vihar, and you can also see the the hole in the window that can clearly be visible because of the firing. And according to the preliminary information, the attacker arrived on a motorcycle at around 4 a.m. and opened fire. The matter was reported to police at around 5:15 a.m. When caretakers arrived at the fitness center. Also, no injuries have been reported, and adding that the forensic team has also examined the crime scene. The CCTV footage has also been investigated. As you can see, there are several CCTV cameras that are installed outside the gym. As you can see, this is one of the CCTV camera that is installed. Also, will request my camera person show the other CCTV camera also that has been installed outside the gym area. So all these CCTV footage have been scanned by the Delhi police to examine and to track the accused who were involved in this firing incident. And this gym is said to be owned by two Rajouri Gardens residents, and also the brand ambassador is said to be popular Punjabi singer Guru Randhawa. So yes, now the investigation is being carried out, and also soon after the incident, a social media post surfaced in which Anil Pandit, group of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang, allegedly claimed the responsibility of the firing, and the police said that they are verifying the authenticity of the claim and investigating the motive behind the attack. Also, the officials said all the angles, including the extortion, gang rivalry, and also the personal enmity, are being examined. The case have been also registered, and efforts are underway by the Delhi police to to track the accused. Yes.
All right, Arzu, stay on. We have some latest news updates coming in over this incident. According to Delhi police, now efforts of course are underway to ascertain the ownership of the gym and gather details related to the firing. Police are also examining CCTV footage from the area and collecting evidence from the scene. Further investigation is in progress to identify those involved and determine the motive behind the firing. Arzu, any more details on the motive that has been established so far, and any information that we know of from the CCTV footage?
The police has taken the CCTV footage from the area where this incident has happened. The CCTV footage is being examined by the police, and also if we talk about the reason behind the incident is also being verified by the police, because Anil Pandit, a US-based associate of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang, claimed the responsibility for the attack through an audio note and also Facebook post, and he alleged that the gym belonged to Guru Randhawa and said that it was targeted because the singer had become close to actor Salman Khan. And after this post, the police said that the efforts are underway to establish the detail related to the ownership of the gym, and so far Outer Delhi police have found no direct link between the fitness center and the singer Guru Randhawa. The further investigation is being carried out by the Delhi police to clearly understand the motive behind the firing. Yes.
All right, Arzu, thank you for joining us on this. Now, viewers, shifting our focus to some other